we are going to learn and write winter season essay. So let's start. Number 1. Winter is the cold season of the year. Number 2. The days are short and the nights are long in the winter. Number 3. People wear warm clothes like sweaters and jackets. Number 4. We like to drink hot milk, tea and soup in winter. Number 5. Fog is seen in the morning during winter. Number 6. The sunlight feels warm and nice. Number 7. Children enjoy sitting in the sun to stay warm. Number 8. Many fruits like orange and guavas come in winter. Number 9. Christmas and New Year are celebrated in the season. Number 10. I like the winter season very much. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.